Life.
Life.
Drugs. Drugs.
Flowers.
Flowers.
This is what takes a
Life.
life
To become
to become
what it truly
truly
can be.
can be.
You judge
Judge
a life based on
based on
drugs and flowers. Are they good?
is it good?
Or are they bad? Bad. But who are you to decide? You to decide what is good and what is bad.
What is bad?
Isn't it already pre-laid
Made
out for us?
for us.
Us and you.
And you. And you.
But life
Life
will decide
decide
what is good and what is bad. Not you. Not us.
us.
And life is up.
Life
Up.
it's up. Can you taste the clouds?